Having trouble downloading files? Let's see how we can download the file. Hope this video is helpful. Let's get started. First, you open the specific link from the description. Once it open, go to Download section and generate download link. Once the link is generated, go to the link. Here you will see the file thumbnail and file name. The file can be accessed in premium and free. We will see how to download for free. Click the free access button to access the file for free. If a window opens here, close it. To access the file for free, you need to see these three contents, and it is very simple. Click on Related Topics to see the first one. Click on any one from here. If it opens in another window, close this window after a few seconds. Now close the window by clicking on the Close button. The first one will be complete. Similarly, click on Explore Content to see the next one. Click on any article from here. If it opens in another window, close this window after a few seconds. Now close the window by clicking on the Close button. Similarly, click on Discover Article to see the last one. Click on any article from here. If it opens in another window, close this window after a few seconds. Now close the window by clicking on the Close button. Once all three are complete, click on the Continue button. From here, fill the CAPTCHA and click on Start Download. The file will start downloading. Hope you liked the video. Stay with us to support us. We will see you in the next one.